Find the value of a plus b. To get a plus b, we need to find out the value of a and b. First, we need to find out the value of one part of this number line. We can find out the value of one part from here. If we find the value of these two parts, we can simply divide it by 2 to get the value of one part. To find the value here, we need to find the difference between -1/4 and -1/2. So what we have here is -1/4 minus -1/2. Minus negative become plus. So we are going to write it as -1/4 plus 1/2. Then we make the denominator, that is the number below, the same. And we get -1/4 plus 2/4. So we have a -1 and plus 2. -1 and plus 2 is the same as 2 minus 1. And we get 1/4. So two parts on the number line is 1/4. To get the value of one part, we take 1/4 and multiply it by 1/2. And we get 1/8. So what is the value of a? To get a, we can take -1/4 and subtract 1/8 from -1/4. So we have -1/4 minus 1/8. Let's make the denominator the same. Here we have -2 and -1. So the answer is -3/8. So that's the value for a. Next, we want to find the value of b. To get b, we can start from -1/4 and move 3 parts to the right. So what we have here is -1/4 plus 1/8 times 3, which is -1/4 plus 3/8. Let's make the denominator the same. We have here -2 and plus 3. -2 plus 3 is the same as 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. So b is 1/8. But what the question wants is a plus b. A is -3/8. b is 1/8. This is minus 3. This is plus 1. We have more negative than positive. The answer has got to be negative. Then we subtract 1 from 3 to get 2/8. We can simplify it to get -1/4. Please do the quiz.